Okay, so that was just the vertebrae. Right here is the esophagus. Or no, right here is the trachea, sorry. This is the trachea. The esophagus should have been in here, but it probably got cut away.
Crop. That thing, that skin.
This thing right here is the crop.
Okay.
See, and then we have the heart. And here's the lung. And then there's more liver right here. Liver and liver. And then here's the gizzard, this giant thing right here.
Pancreas.
Pancreas is right here, this giant thing.
Yep.
And then the gallbladder should be in here, but he said it's all dark, so he can't see it. And then the glandular stomach just is a tubing that runs right next to the gizzard. So like this tubing thing right here.
Okay.
And then all the rest of this is small intestine. And that is all we need to know.
The amazing surgeon